So in this video, we are gonna talk about WooCommerce. We're gonna install WooCommerce and create a simple product that we'll use to test how it works with WP Fusion later. Welcome back to WP Fusion for absolute beginners. Now, installing WooCommerce, it starts as a free, but as mentioned in my earlier videos, depending on the feature that you need, you may need to buy premium add-ons. But for this tutorial, we're gonna stick to the free features for now. So go to your website to install it, go to plugins and then add a new plugin. And then in here, search for Woo. WooCommerce should show as the very first item in the list. And just make sure it's by automatic. Install the plugin, activate it. And then you may end up with some onboarding steps. You can complete it or skip that for now. Since this is a test website, we will just skip the onboarding steps and we can go back to this later anyway. Now, after activating WooCommerce, you can see on the sidebar there's WooCommerce with its options from reports to settings to coupons. And then there's products and payments, analytics, marketing. So this 5 section is all part of WooCommerce. So WooCommerce, products, payments, analytics, marketing. Now let's try adding products. So first is I'm gonna add a test product. So maybe name it course A. And then since we did not install any add-on like subscription, the only options we have here are simple products, group, external, and variable. I'm gonna stick to the simple product and I wanna make sure this is virtual. I'm gonna set a dummy price for now. And then out of the box, this is how WooCommerce look. Now, once we integrate this with WP Fusion later, there will be more options in here. Also, do note that if you also get the CRM Pro, FluentCRM Pro, there is also going to be a FluentCRM direct integration with WooCommerce. So just a note on that one. But let's stick to WP Fusion. We can discuss more about FluentCRM and my other course for FluentCRM. But for this one, let's stick to WP Fusion. So again, nothing in here yet. In the next video, we will install WP Fusion and you're gonna see how that changed the settings here. So we should be able to tag when they purchase and so on. Now that's it for this video. You now have a WooCommerce installed and a product ready for tagging. Just make sure you publish this and we'll get back to this later. In the next video, we will connect WP Fusion with both FluentCRM and WooCommerce so they can talk to each other. Again, if you want to follow the course step by step, it's all inside hub.custommem.io. And if you ever need expert help, visit us at custommem.io. Drop your questions below. I'll do my best to get back to you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.